What's happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortzz, and today we are looking at the W6 smartwatch. It's another Series 6 clone that we have here. But just before I get started, make sure you follow me on one of these social medias, as I always put up sneak peeks on what to expect on Allsortzz. And as always, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell notification so when I upload any video you'll actually be notified. Anyways, let's get straight into it. I do like the design of the box. You've got three different watch faces with the watch in the middle as well with the watch band. You have watch 6 on the side. This is the black version. It comes in 5 different colors as well. Purchased this from AliExpress, so you can just tap in W6, you'll be able to find them. The color, it says here smartwatch. Take a look at the back. This is just copy and pasted from every other smartwatch. Includes smartwatch, band, charging cable and user manual. Not all capabilities are available in all areas. Smartwatch is not a medical device. Battery life, charge cycles and display life may vary by use and settings. Smartwatch may need to be serviced or be replaced by authorized service provider. Provider is spelled wrong. Few trademarks, made in China as is everything else, and a few of the features it's got. So you can make calls, it's got heart rate which is fake, sweat count or whatever, calories and your distance you've walked and whatever. I think that's the thing. So let's get straight into it. What do we get inside the box? So straight out of the box you get the manuals, which come in 2 different languages. So here is the English version. If you want to pause it and read it, it's up to you. It just shows you what to expect with the watch and how to use it. This QR code is for the app that you need to download on your smartphone, which we'll check later, and you've got it in this language right here. So that is the manuals, a different kind of look on manuals as well. Taking a look at the watch, as you can see, you got a picture and it says smartwatch at the bottom. It comes with 2 watch bands as well. So as you can tell, the color is black. We've got a black smartwatch. So it comes with the number 1 band, which we have right here, just the normal band. That is the smartwatch, which we have right here. We'll take a look at after. What else do we get inside the box? You've got a 2-pin magnetic charger, as you can see right here, and also a loop black band, which is really good. I might be using this on my original if it fits. But that's what we get inside the box. Let's take a look at the smartwatch. And here we have it. So they have advertised this as a 44mm, but in my opinion it looks much more like a 40mm. The screen is 1.78-inch display. The chipset is the MTK2502C as well. The app you need to download is Lifun Wear. You can actually use it any above 5.0 Android or iOS 9 and above as well. Bluetooth 4.0 and 3.0, and it is got a 220 mAh battery, which means this usage time is around 7 days and the standby time is around 60 days as well. And it is IP68 waterproof. But if you want to check if a water test on this, make sure you let me know in the comment section below. So that is some of the features with this. We need to see what we have inside, but just before we take a look at that, we'll take a look at the body. As you can see here, you've got a bezel at the bottom, but you'll know more of that when I switch it on. So you've got a crown as well, a mic cutout and a button right here, but this button is actually fake. It does not work. It's just a show button, but it doesn't work. So everything you have to do with the crown right here. We'll take a look at the crown if it scrolls later in the video. So take a look at the back. It's a really old version of the sensors and also the text around the sensors. Bluetooth watch Series 6, 44mm aluminium and ceramic. Well, it's not ceram. I've not even spelt it right. ECG, heart rate. You got the 2-pin charger right there, and that is it. You've got 2 speaker grills, one is fake, one is real, as you can see right there. So let's switch this on by pushing in the crown. You've got a welcome logo right here. Do we have a tone? I'm pretty sure that's the old Samsung tone. So you got a welcome with the animation and straight into a watch face. So let's go and take a look at the watch faces. I know I did actually say in the in my social media that this has a dual interface. Well, it doesn't. So they've actually lured you into buying one of these and it doesn't have a dual interface. I've checked this watch and it doesn't. So that is definitely a fake advertising right there. So let's go into the watch faces. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 35 watch faces. I thought they were, I was going past the same one back then, but yeah, they have some really good and new watch faces as well. Let's just pick up a new one that we've seen. That one, check that out, lemons. Is that lemon? No, it's not. Look like a lemon. So that is one of the watch faces. When you press it in, it doesn't do anything, so it's not dynamic. Swiping it down, you've got to connect it to your phone, so that's notifications once you swipe it down. Swiping it back up, it gives you the quick shortcut. So you've got Bluetooth, you've got your torch, which doesn't do anything, your brightness, you can switch it up and down. Swipe back does work as well. You've got your loud and your mute. This one, bottom left here, is your menu interface. You've got two, you've got a smart style and a your list view, sorry, and this is your battery as well. You've got no power, low power mode. It just shows you the battery percentage, and I think the battery is low. So let me just show you what list menu interface we have. So here is the list menu, by swiping it back up, and here is the smart menu. Does the crown work? No, it doesn't. So it does not scroll, you have to scroll it with yourself. So this is like I said earlier, this is a HD screen. I forgot to mention it's a HD screen. It definitely looks really good. It's definitely attention to detail. The touch sensitivity is really good as well. It's a little bit laggy, but not as laggy as the previous ones I've done. But yeah, the menu is really good, and the screen is definitely HD IPS display as well. So let's go back and put it into list, and let's see what list view we have. So we've got phone book, of course you need to connect that to your phone. Same with dialer. Sports choice, you can choose between which kind of sports you're doing. Go back there. Heart rate, let's check the heart rate. This is a different interface heart rate as well, so let's measure. You just hit the heart rate and you've got flashing light right there. And will it show it while it's off an object? If it does, then it probably be the same as you can see right there. This is definitely a new interface when it comes to heart rate. It gives you a graph view as well, and it does show you a heart rate when it's not even an object, even on an object or a wrist. So that goes to show that it's just a fake reading. But I do like the interface on this, which is really good. So let's go into messaging. That's the same as well. You got to connect it to your phone. I'll show you that later. Calculator, same as previous ones. Weather, same again. You've got to, which in Shenzhen is 22 degrees, which is really good, better than here. It's snowing here. You got your calendar there, sleep monitor. It's definitely got a new interfaces as well. Stopwatch, as you can see. You got your reminders, pedometer, the calorie you burnt, steps you've taken. Let's just go into alarm first. You can tap to new alarm. Lost alert, you need to do activate your phone first. Find phone, same again. Bluetooth music connected to your phone. Remote capture connected to your phone. Call log, same again. Notifier, same again, connected to your phone. Blood pressure, and same. This also has a graph view as well. Let's just show you blood pressure to see if that gives us a reading. It's probably going to be a fake one as well. It's not, as it's not on an object. Just want to show you in real time how long it takes as well, because this part is taking a bit of its time. And it is flashing as well, as you can see right there. Well, it stopped flashing, and because it gave us a reading of 96 over 117, so that's definitely fake. Same again, it gives you a graph view of the blood oxygen. Bluetooth 5.0, you can search your Bluetooth right there. Siri as well, you've got a Siri option. I will show you later in the video where you just tap this button right here and you can ask Siri anything and it will give you an answer onto the phone, which I'll show you later in the video. So that is the menu. Let's go back into settings to show you what you can change. Bluetooth settings, same again, power visibility is on. Clock, you can sync it once you've connected it to your phone, or you can change the time in the settings. Sound, again, you can change it to loud or mute it. Volume, you can change it. Main menu style, you only got two. display. As you can tell, I did say that it has a dual display interface, but it doesn't, so that's definitely false advertising right there. Motion, you got 3 motions, as you can see. International, you can change the language, and quick response, that's just a QR code for the app you need to download. Reset and about, which is W6 device version and release time. So what we need to do now is connect it to the phone and see what other features we can do with it as well. Right, here we go. Let's make sure Bluetooth is on the watch. So swipe it up, search for new device. Let's make sure my Bluetooth is on here. Yes, it is now. So searching, let's go into settings. W6 is connected. What we need to do now is go into the app and see if it's connected, which we have like right here. Leave phone, go there, go into the W6 connected. As you can see now, with everything else, what you've got to do is make sure you connect it twice in the settings, because you want all the phone calls and notifications to go from your phone to the smartwatch. So make sure it is connected twice on the settings to get the full features. So let's go back into the app and see what else we can do on this W6. Pretty basic, to be honest. The only thing you can do is, well, connect it. Let's connect in. It's connected. So the only thing you can do is synchronize the time. Well, pair it, and it's going to ask for notifications. Allow notifications, and that's it. So that is connected. The only thing you can do on the watch from the smartphone is synchronize time, weather, language, and all the data, and find watch, as you can see right there. You can't change no watch faces or nothing like that. So all the information gets synced to your smartphone from your health apps and your pedometer, the steps you're taking. My device, it just gives you an information about your device. That's about it. So you can't change anything, which is no good, to be honest. You can't change no watch faces or anything like that, which is not good. Even if you connect it, it'll just go straight back to there. So that is it for the app, to be honest. There's not a lot you can do on the app. Now what I'll do is I'll just show you some of the features. So if you go into Siri, and I'll show you what you can do. Search Allsortzz on YouTube.
Here are some videos of Allsortzz I found on the web.
See, that's,
have a look.
That voice has come from the watch, and as you can see here, Siri has searched some of Allsortzz videos on YouTube. Check this out. Let's do it again. Search Allsortzz on YouTube.
Here are some videos of Allsortzz I found on the web.
See?
Have a look.
Check that out, and the voices come from the watch, so that's really good. Now let's check some of the notifications from the apps and the phone calls. Right, I'm just going to make a phone call from my other watch to see what kind of call interface we get. As you can see here, it's not the name, it's just the number, but it's the name on the phone. As you can see, switching it off, it should give you a notification of someone called. As you can see here, Allsortzz missed call. So you can get notifications from anywhere, to be honest, from your text messages to your WhatsApp. I'm just sending a WhatsApp message, and you've got 2 notifications, and as you can see, it shows you the notifications right there. It shows me notifications from YouTube Studio as well, which is really good, and that's about it. So you can get a lot of notifications from Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, text messages, WhatsApp, anything like that. But overall, here is the W6 smartwatch. Bit of false advertising, which I didn't like, because it said you can get 2 new interfaces, which you can change the background, which definitely can't. I might be mistaken. If I am, then make sure you let me know in the comments below. But I've definitely checked all around the watch, and you can't do it. But if you want to see any other videos with this watch, do let me know in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching, and yeah, I'll see you again for another video.